Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Dirt Path Exploration. Today, we traveled to Amherst, New Hampshire. Again, what can I say? Amherst, New Hampshire has a lot to offer in terms of available hikes. That being said, this one is different from most of them, in that I can remember playing golf on Buck Meadow not that long ago. That being said, I haven't golfed in a while, and I was never terribly good at golf anyways. The hike is a 1 mile loop around the old golf course that should take about 20 minutes to complete. A relatively short and flat hike in close proximity to another fantastic and different Amherst hike, the Ponema Bog, which I would also recommend checking out. The restoration of Buck Meadow is currently underway, and one of the items they specifically request is that you refrain from bringing your dogs into Buck Meadow from May through October so that the animals that utilize the natural grasslands can breed, nest, and rear their young. The trail is entirely in the open sun, so I'd ensure that you have sunscreen or you will undoubtedly get a sunburn. No different than if you were out on the course. The trail itself is around the perimeter of the conservation area, and you can view how the old greens and fairways are growing in nicely with long grass and being reclaimed by nature. There isn't an overabundance of natural beauty and peace to be had here yet, but you can tell that in time it will come. My favorite part of this trail is that the golf course was converted into a conservation area for all to enjoy and not converted to a residential complex as it so easily could have been. The conservation efforts are in their early stages, and it still mostly looks like the golf course it was prior, but the work and effort to change it is clear and continuing. There are still a few old hole markers around the trail, but they more serve as a reminder that nature can reclaim if given the chance, and also a reminder of just how terrible a golfer I was. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. And also, don't forget to let us know your favorite trails in your local area.
This is the ninth green, what's left of it.